Download Mandalion Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.
There are 4 compound finals that begin with the vowel e or and they are a, n, on, and r. Let's take a closer look at each of them. The first compound final is a. They sound similar to the a sound in the word eight or May. A. The next 2 are nasal finals, n and on. Simply start by sounding the e final, and then end off with the n and ng sound respectively. On. The last compound final is r. It should not be confused with the basic final This compound final starts with the sound and should end with a curved r sound, similar to the sound a pirate might make. Do note that this compound final is the only standalone final. It cannot be combined with an initial. Here are some examples of Chinese characters with pinyin that end with these compound finals. This is the character for the color black. It is pronounced as hey, hey. It is pronounced in the first tone. Hey. This is the character for people, 人. It is made up of the initial and the nasal final, ren. This character should be read in the second tone, 人. The character 风, it means wind. Its pinyin is spelled feng, and should be read in the first tone, feng. Finally, the last compound final is r. As mentioned earlier, this is a special standalone final which cannot be paired with any initials. A character that has the pinyin r is the number 2 in Mandarin. This character is read in the fourth tone, r. Another character with this unique pinyin, the character for ear, it is pronounced in the third tone, r.
Download Mandalion Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.